Hey guys, thanks for coming back. One thing we didn't have when we bought this log cabin was we didn't have any storage. There was no garage, and there was a little pole barn that was uncovered. You see the pole barn right there, and we did bring all of the wood for our workshop right there. But there was nothing else. There was no way to access the basement, which was a great big huge unused space, except for a 4x4 foot hole. So we had to put a door in. Hope you guys enjoy this footage. This was the fiasco that we went through to get this door in. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey.
I think you should cut it in there, your 3, whatever you're going to do inside, and then come out here and then cut so it can fall that way. It'll push that way instead of over here.
We don't have a fan, do we? No. We don't have any kind of a fan.
The only fan you have is a hand vacuum or the vacuum cleaner. You know, the air that blows out.
I mean, that's some movement of air.
Let me just see how bad it is. It actually cut pretty fast. I don't think it's going to get that bad. It'll get a little smoky, but if it starts getting bad, I'll stop. All right, give me some gloves and a saw. Thankfully, this thing isn't real heavy. I thought it was going to be heavy.
Gone.
Mike, man, that's loud.
It is. Really loud. Get some air. Get out of there. Really?
I'm good.
No, seriously.
No, I'm good. I'm fine. I don't feel anything. I'm good.
Well, yeah, until you die.
I'm not gonna die. Whoa!
God. Is it better?
Not much, but it's cutting. I gotta get a fan in here, dude. Now the exhaust is killing me.
How's it going, honey?
Having some problems with some rebar in there. That exhaust is killing me now. Now I'm getting lightheaded.
Huh? It's okay?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Like solid rebar. There must be a piece that went horizontal or something stupid. Well, maybe we should cut from this side and knock it over and see what it does.
Just trying to figure out a way to bolt it up, so I gotta take a dump. I don't know if I can get the blade in here.
You don't have to hit it. There's
Yeah, I
no
know.
thing on
I
top.
know. I gotta try. I got a big blade, dude.
I know. You got the big blade.
Yeah, but just like that.
What are you doing now?
You gotta take the dozer. Dozer to the rescue. That's the new name of the channel. Dozer to the rescue. Right?
That is beautiful. That worked out absolutely perfect.
I think my cutoff wheel is a little bit bigger than this.
Yeah.
It's not really made of that solid. It works. Right?
Yeah. I think it works.
It works better than this little one. Right?
All right, here we go.
I guess it's better than licking it and see if it's still.
dirt at the same time. Yeah! That worked good.
Nice doorway.
That is perfect.
Yeah, the only reason it stopped is because it's got wedged in.
Got wedged.
Yeah, you broke off that.
The rebar and everything's cut through. Look at that. I was following a piece of rebar. Son of a gun. I was cutting a freaking piece of rebar all the way across the bottom.
So you think we should cut this in the middle? And you have to really to get it out of there, huh?
Well, we could get the chain wrapped around it.
If you could, yeah, and drag it out.
Drag it out.
Yeah, the Dozer didn't slow down.
Yeah, it does, or didn't even feel nothing.
No.
Look at it, pulled out that embed. It snapped off that embed. That is so cool. That
Let me see that. Let me see that.
We just yanked that thing right out of the concrete, 6 inches deep.
Snapped it off.
Snapped it right off.
Snapped it off.
Man, that Dozer is awesome. I love this thing. I love this old girl.
So there's a hole.
Yeah, we can get the chain through. Yeah. Okay, we need to probably back it up a little bit more, huh? Yeah, no sense in killing yourself. We gotta smooth it all out too. Oh, that is fantastic. Cool. Look at that, honey. No more ladder. So we'll trim up this concrete here. Look at this, honey. This is why I was having such a hard time.
No, this is it right here.
This
too. Okay.
Well, that was the one right here, Alan, and this is the one on the bottom. That's why I was having such a hard time on the bottom.
Look at this.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Wow.
So I was following a piece of stupid rebar. How would you even know? Well, this side is perfect. Look at that, nice and clean that is. So this side we have to trim up. All right, well, and it's almost perfectly clean. With your little cutter, look how clean of a cut that is on the outside. That's a great job, Alan.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Oh, I think I'm really happy now. All that work was, it was worth the extra work. It was really frustrating trying to cut through the rebar, but
No, what's frustrating is crawling through a 4x4 hole.
yeah, right. So yeah, this is
That 4x hole just sucks.
fantastic. That dozer saved us so much time.
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude. That worked better than I expected. I thought it was gonna snap and break and really did. I thought it was gonna be a problem.
I thought you were gonna have to go a couple of times.
Yank on it and jerk it, and it just popped it right out. That made my day.
See? There you go. His day's been made.
Simple things.
That's right. A dozer. All it takes is a dozer.
That thing just might stay there for a while.
It's not gonna fly away.
You know, before I return that saw, I should probably cut it in pieces.
Maybe, yeah. 4 pieces.
I don't want it. There's nothing. I can't do anything with it that big.
You know, if anything, it'd make a nice anchor.
So now we have a beautiful door. After we cut out that cement and we pulled it out with a dozer, we framed this bad boy in. We got one of these at a garage sale. It was awesome. And we put the threshold in down the bottom with some concrete screws. We still have to do do some steps and stuff in here, but we did frame this up with some 2x6s and framed this hole up and put a new header in over the top, and then put the door frame in and hung our door. So now we have storage. Nice deadbolt to keep it locked all the time. So there, guys, there was the dozer to the rescue. It was a fun project with Alan. Got that concrete saw going, and we got ourselves, now we have access to our basement where we can actually store stuff down there. It's fantastic. So that'll get us by until we can afford to put up a pole barn and a garage and shop. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up here probably not till next spring, but anyway, hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.